Hello, my name is Nitzan Cohen, CEO at Chuliot Group. We are happy to be a part of the ISH Digital 2021. Chuliot Group is a leader in the design and manufacture of advanced flow systems for commercial and residential buildings. The company offers a broadly comprehensive portfolio of sanitary system solutions that address the full life cycle of water flow from water supply to wastewater and infrastructure. With patented technology and state-of-the-art manufacturing techniques, Chuliot Group offers innovative products that are available in each of the standard size and diameter options, and which deliver the highest standards of quality and reliability. The company is headquartered in Israel, and with its 5 global manufacturing and commercial subsidiaries, it serves an extensive customer base that spans over 30 countries worldwide. With a robust legacy of over 70 years in piping domain expertise, Chuliot Group brings a profound commitment to always delivering service excellence and customer satisfaction. Now we'll watch a short Chuliot Group movie, a super relevant promotion video suitable for these times, followed by Mr. Yaakov Ashkenazi in a short preview about our innovative domestic drainage system, SmartLock, and our flagship acoustic drainage system, the Ultra Silent. Take care and enjoy the ISH fair. Thank you.
Our home has changed recently, meaning it's not only our home, it's our office, it's school, if you can call it a school. It's a place to take a short walk. Our home is the gym. It's also the great outdoors. It's the place where we learned how to protect ourselves at a time like this, when everything happens at home. We at Chuliot Group are doing everything possible, so when it comes to your home water flow systems, you can enjoy real peace of mind. For over 70 years, we've been specializing in the production of advanced flow systems, water supply, drainage, wastewater, and infrastructure. Now, as always, we do everything we can so that you never know we're there. In every home, all over the world. Chuliot, for your peace of mind.
Hi, I'm Yaakov Ashkenazi, VP Marketing Engineer. I'm very excited to present you SmartLock, the best domestic drainage system in the world. Welcome to the next generation by Chuliot. To declare being the best system in the world sounds a bit pretentious. Let's see why we are so confident about the system. What makes a system being the best system in the world? Safe, quick, and strong. Quick. What's so quick about the system? Let's take a pipe and the 45-degree bend. You just have to insert the pipe into the fitting and close the ratchet. Usually, in other systems, we have to chamfer the pipe and use lubrication. As you saw, we didn't use these actions. And we know these actions take up a valuable work time. Now, what's so strong about the system? I will take another bend, install it very quickly. As you can see, the connections is very strong and tight. What is so safe about the system? Let's keep it as a surprise for the end. The strength and the quality is affected by the raw material. The SmartLock pipe is made of acoustic triple layer polypropylene and the fitting are acoustic polypropylene. The sealing of the system relies on a dual component injection elastomeric pressure seals. As we said, we will see the effect at the end. One of the main things that we faced in the field is that the domestic drainage system plane does not match to the standard angles. In this case, we have to find a solution to adjust the angle. Therefore, in the SmartLock system, we use the angle adapter. This fitting allows us to reach the precise angle that we need. It consists of 3 parts: the body, the nut, and the ball seal. To reach the extra angle, we have to slide the nut and the ball seal on the pipe, insert the pipe into the body, close the nut, adjust the angle that we need, and then tighten the nut. The angle adapter connects to all types of fittings and give us so many installation options. This is why we call it the Joker. We have to remember that the smart lock system uses plain end pipes that maximize the utilization of the pipe. This advantage makes the smart lock cost-effective compared to the other HT systems. As we promised, now the surprise. Let's check how safe is the system. Let's take what we already assembled and let's add some. Now we will pour water into the assembly. And now let's challenge the system. We apply pressure on the connections by pulling the pipe. Despite this, as you can see, the system is 100% watertight. Let's see what happens if we stand on the pipe. The system is 100% watertight. Like we said, safe, quick, and strong. Thank you for listening. We will finish with a short movie that gives more details about the system. After that, we will talk a few minutes regarding the ultra-silent system. At the end, we will have time for questions. Let's see the movie. One of the main systems produced by Chuliot is the soundproof ultra-silent system. Ultra-silent is a polypropylene push-fit pipes and fittings in diameter range 32 up to 200 millimeters. Chuliot achieved very good results certified by the Fraunhofer Institute. As you can see, measurements show 11 decibels in 1 liter and 20 decibels in 4 liters. These results are much better than the standard requirement. ultra-silent system produced according to the most strict European standards. Again, thank you for listening, and if you have any questions, we will be glad to answer.